El Nino Southern Oscillation is known as a climatic phenomenon with the ability to change the atmospheric circulation, which in turn results in change in the amount of rainfall and change in temperature around the globe. The El Nino Southern Oscillation is related to El Nino and La Nina because El Nino and La Nina refers to the ocean part, while the Southern Oscillation refers to the atmospheric changes around the globe. El Nino actually refers to the unusual warming of the surface seawater in the eastern tropical Pacific Ocean. Or on the other hand, La Nina is the exact opposite of El Nino, which refers to the cooling of the region's surface seawater. El Nino and La Nina occur due to the interaction between the ocean surface and the atmosphere across the tropical Pacific. El Nino occurs due to the build-up of warm water in the eastern Pacific due to the weak wind. Since there is warming of the surface seawater, the atmosphere responds by increasing the rising air motion and increasing the amount of rainfall in the eastern Pacific region. The change in ocean temperature and atmosphere causes El Nino to occur. The warmer water causes the wind to become weaker and thus the temperature of the water surface increase. La Nina is the exact opposite of El Nino. When La Nina happens, the wind near the equator gets stronger. The stronger wind pushes the surface water to the western Pacific. Cool water from deeper in the ocean rises up in the eastern Pacific. If the cooling continues to occur, the rising air movement and the rainfall in the eastern Pacific will stop, which causes the La Nina event. And as a result, the cool water causes the wind to strengthen and then causes the water to cool even more. El Nino affects the weather by increasing the temperature generally. It mostly occurs in the tropic regions and tropic countries such as Peru, India, Indonesia and Brazil. Like for example, India and Indonesia face drought conditions due to El Nino, and also El Nino can drive heat waves, floods and droughts. As for the La Nina, it causes winter to become warmer in the south and winter to become cooler in the north, and it also causes more severe hurricanes, and it causes jet stream, which are air current, to move in the north direction and to become weaker over the eastern Pacific region. So, how does the El Nino and La Nina affect the marine ecosystem? So generally, the El Nino and La Nina, they cause elevated sea surface temperature, and it also can cause coral bleaching, and the rising temperature can slow down the growth of coral reefs, and then it also shifts the distribution and the abundance of the fish in the ocean. And then it also can influence the frequency and intensity of tropical storms and hurricanes and causes physical damage to the coastal ecosystem for many marine species.